stuff.
today.
How about you have your underwear on, you know, all that stuff.
Okay, so today's vlog, this is the first time that I'm going to work driving. Well, definitely since I'm on a learners, I don't have the driver's license yet. And I'm going to be with my hubby. Say hi to the viewers, love.
Hey, what's up, guys?
That's it.
Hi. What do you want me to say?
Check the
Else.
mailbox later, love, ha.
Maybe. Okay, I'll check. You gotta stop at the stop sign.
I did stop.
You didn't stop. You rolled through it very slowly. That doesn't count. Because if a cop sees you, he's gonna say, "Oh, you ran through
Wait,
stop sign."
everyone's doing that.
Well, everyone can drive.
I can drive.
You can't yet. Not all the
I
way.
don't know where to go. Right, left, where?
Straight.
Straight. Okay.
Come on, love. Get familiar with where you are.
Stop.
Just you know the road to Walmart.
Can I stop?
Yeah, good job. Do you know the road to Walmart?
Uh,
We took the same exact road yesterday or earlier today. Remember?
okay, going to Walmart.
Yeah.
So it's the Burger King left.
Except when you won't be going to Walmart, you'll be going to the light that joins the main road, 522. Get familiar with it. Just go to Walmart and we'll go from there.
Yeah, because later on I'm gonna be using this car.
Make sure you can make the right turn here, left turn here, properly. Are you getting lucky today? What are you waiting for? Come on. What are you waiting for? Come on.
I thought I
You
could
can't
make it.
be more gentle. Well, obviously you had way more than enough time. So.
I'm much better in using a bomb car instead of the Burger King.
Yeah.
It's a nice Mustang.
Drive gentle, please.
Sorry.
Smoothly.
And this light, right?
No, let's go straight. Just go straight. Straight. Yeah, you could have, but just go straight instead.
But you told me.
I know, but just go straight. Essentially, just go straight past like the next 5 lights until you see the dinosaurs on your right. Remember?
Ah, okay.
Yeah, we're
So
gonna
we're gonna
go
go to the dinosaur instead.
Yeah, but at the light where the dinosaur land is, you'll make a left to go towards Winchester. Okay.
It's 45 years, 50, but they are going fast. So follow the rules. So just straight, right?
Do you know where dinosaur land is?
Just straight, straight, straight.
If you know where it's at, then go there.
No. Not sure.
Get familiar with it. Okay, go straight. Not into the car. Straight through the car? Yes, left. Straight through the car.
So what else are you gonna do today, love?
Get the spare part for the water heater. Take care of some things, and then right. That's it. Yeah. Exciting stuff.
that if there's like an arrow, you don't have to.
Well, there's two arrows. One straight, one left.
Ah.
Did you see it?
So if it's yeah, okay, got it.
But regardless, it's still recommended you put a turn signal on, but you know. You really, really should if there's two arrows in one lane.
And then after this left, you just straight, right?
Yeah.
Until the hard, the airport road. I knew it.
Yeah. See? It's better to put it on because in case anything happens, someone can claim that, oh, you didn't have your signal on, so I had no idea what you were going to do. So you want to switch lanes, turn, put your signal on. Why are you slowing down? Accelerate hard. Come on. Because there's a truck behind you accelerating, and you're in front of him and decelerating. Turn off your signal and drive less aggressive. Come on. Keep your steering wheel steady. Stay in your lane. Don't wiggle back and forth. I gotta critique you because it's important. When you're switching lanes, do not slow down in front of traffic unless you're going way too fast, in which case you weren't. Not this turning lane, the one right after it.
That.
Not this turning lane, but then the one right here.
Um,
So I made a mistake myself where like I turned into that one and I was like, oh wait, wrong one. So slow down, slow down, slow down.
and then
Drive where you to work. You know where it's at, right? Yeah, you'll figure it out. Why are you going so slow for? It's 45 here.
I think gonna go right here.
No,
No.
straight.
There's a Coles thing there.
Left, straight. I know where it's at. I'm just.
You know Coles.
Yeah, but that's not for deliveries, by the way. It says not for employees. God, love, go speed limit. Come
Because
on.
before
It's
we go.
it's 45 here, okay?
Yeah, before,
Right here. Right here.
Mount
Slow
Straight.
down. Right here. Slow down more. Pay attention to what I'm saying, love.
So it's a bad driving today.
No, it was
right?
good, but you need some practice driving at at faster speeds.
Yeah.
Because whenever you turn at 50, 60 miles an hour, you do it like very abruptly, so the car feels like whoa, like that, right? And and you also need to remember where you're going because you've been here a year and you don't know where we're going.
Yeah.
So next time, if you don't know where you're going, I won't tell you where to go. So you have to figure it out. And what else? Pay attention to your speed limit a bit more often. But most importantly, whenever you get frustrated, do not go times 10.
Okay.
Sige?
All right, I'm gonna go to work now. Where's my stuff?